Hello, welcome to Hairtune. Here the model before we start the blow dry.
Okay, Lily, can you go upside down with your head? Just put your head forward, yeah.
On clean shampooed hair, apply curling cream or curling mousse. Depending on the hair dryer and the amount of hair, you have to adjust the setting of the heat and speed. In this case, I'm using the hair dryer at low speed with maximum heat. Each section is approximately dry 10 seconds. Make sure that every time you dry a section to include the ends inside the diffuser. If you place the diffuser on the scalp and start rotating it, it will give more volume and movement.
Okay, all the way up. Yeah.
To make the blow dry look more natural, scrunch the hair and texturize it, and trying to create that lovely natural look that seems effortless.
Wow.